Hey guys, we're back. Got a older unit here. This is a high-rise fiberglass unit. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy trucks. This is a decent unit. It's just, like I said, it's just older. Has some clear coat peel issues. Clear coat's coming off in spots through here. No major damage. Clear coat on the top is coming all the way. As you can see, the clear coat coming off pretty much all over the top. Does have the Vista windows in the top, the Skylight windows. It's got a little bit of paint issues right there, paint flake, chips. It's probably been repainted. It looks like it's been repainted in its lifetime somewhere along the line. Chips and scratches pretty much everywhere. This one's not going to win any beauty contest, but it's definitely going to cover the bed up and do what you're going to want it to do here. It's got, like I said, chips and scratches, pretty much a lot of paint chips kind of all over the place. Does have the half sliding windows on the side. Has a window boot in the front, so it's just a boot that pushes up against the back of the cab. Oh yeah, it looks like it used to be blue. Bluish green, teal green at one point in time in its life. Paint chips. Pretty speckled all over here on this side. All the way down through, there's a bunch of them. No major fiberglass damage. I mean, it's pretty solid that way. Half-side sliding windows on this side as well. Does have the single T-handle locking rear door. This is a TriGlass. This one's got a pretty decent screen. Got a couple holes in it right through there. Window slides shut like that. See the skylights up there. This side, the screen's really good shape. Looks like the rail had steel reinforcement inside. It looks like it might have a little bit of rust inside the fiberglass there, but it doesn't appear to affect the rail still attached. So there it is. It's a high-rise fiberglass by TriGlass. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy truck with the 6.5 foot bed. Chevy and GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so if you want to see which location it's at, how much it is, purchase it online, any of that can be done through there. There's also a link to our site in general, so if you're looking for cap clamps, tape, seals, truck bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, they're all available online there. Thanks for watching.